All right, ebusuamu akwaba biom Embra Ghana Insem TV eso within the promise the blogger. Ebusuamu kamya ye say NDC party no kodwan ne pe automatically no adwen ni adwuma biom. Den tina meka say ebusuamu video bi circulate ya NDC journalist ba ko e de nsem bia to dwa na ebusuamu ego tie nsem no de to dwa ne mbra ewi a ebedi nkomo.
Ba sebe o enkra na wo mo atu wo mo kwan. Meboa. They went on the journey, travel on their own. So you cannot even equate these things. You cannot try to equate it. Mesuma me ba oja ho na ja kwahye no a kafra na meka kire no. Na mansuma no ko ja no ho na ja na hye no a meka kire say mesuma ho. Is that not the question that you're going to ask? So what is Okatakyie Afrifa saying? What is he trying to do? What is he trying to achieve? Is he the only sensible person in this country? What kind of stupidity is this? And it's like, Obian Kashin Chirano, and he has been doing this for far too long. What Jimmy to do? Excuse my language.
Busuamu akwaba biom Embra Ghana Insem TV eso. Njidi sa share video ya me bo kire wo sesi video yi eye NDC journalist Insema odia tudwa na ono no kire mu say enkola na omkowu ewo kumase kwan so nkola 16 no mu ye no Ghana nsoma omo baby a Ghana oman no ensoma omo na omo ena omkom baby no omakwaku eno nti mayen fa compare ministers ene government appointees ni soldiers for a omanya omo baby kono. You see yaka say obi a wanyini bia nyo obi a wanyini bia nanim nyansa wonte ase o se ka se nyo obi a wanyini bia nanim nyansa baka se o di na tem na tende na odi no nipa na ejimi nipa no ejimi because o kan asem say obi akwa kunya accident kunya accident ama nipa ewu you are on TV ka kire say no one sent them. Ubian senior. But MPs in Mr. Oyeni yes one. Did we force them to become member of parliament? Did we force them to become members of parliament? Did we force them to become ministers? They are being paid. So they use our money to pay them. They use our money, our hard-earned money to pay them. They are not working for free. Okay? They are not working for free. Whatever they are doing, they are being paid every single month. You people should reason as human beings. It is time you people should reason as human beings and stop behaving as if you are not human beings. What I say? Because say we are journalists and now we are communicator for a political party. Now this is how you choose to communicate. Then bro, you have a problem. Honestly speaking, you really have a problem. If this is how you choose to communicate as a journalist, then you have a problem. Because tell me why a journalist or a communicator will communicate in this way. Tell me why. You see, it is time we tell some people that massa, this country is not for you alone. This country, it is not for you alone. And you can't determine what we should say. Because this thing is even unbelievable. Say, a communicator of a political party, and you go on TV with all the things happening. The only thing you can say is that obi small mwana. Yes, obi an small mo. I agree. Obi an small mo. The MPs obi small mwana. Why do you go and relaunch a project that has already been launched? That's the question. Why do you go and relaunch a project that has already been launched? That is the question. We are not fools. You understand? We are not fools. I don't even understand the reason why they think like they have their rights, but we don't. But you see, you can't blame that person because the political party now free mobile. You understand? So it's not something that surprise, like and surprise when yet one. What you say? One. So me, it doesn't surprise me. That's the honest truth, because that's how they do their stuffs, and we all know. We are in this country with them, and we all know that's how omoyo monema. Ebusuya ye Ghana Nsem TV. It has only to boase now share. NDC communicator way where Jimmy ana.
They went on the journey and they travel on their own. So you cannot even equate these things. You cannot try to equate it. Mesuma me ba oja ho na ja kwahye no a kafra na meka kire no. Na mansuma no no koja no ho na ja na hye no a meka kire say mesuma ho. Is that not the question that you're going to ask? So what is Okatakyie Afrifa saying? What is he trying to do? What is he trying to achieve? Is he the only sensible person in this country? What kind of stupidity is this? And it's like Obian Kashin Chirano, and he has been doing this for far too long. What Jimmy do? Excuse my language.
Ebusuya NDC sa party na yesa oko join pe we no. Enye adwuma biom. The moment ba ko join no. We no. Enye adwuma biom. Because as a human being, we say sa nkola 16 na omunya accident mu wo ye no. Enye Ghana na small mo. So mo ko bi mo ko na me ba wo. Nkwafu ya omo full plane ya omo ko wo ye. Ya small mo. Obi for some be deep penyini wo man ni mu ana. Obi hye omo. Obi na for some be ministers ana. Masa, mo jimi won. Mo aya na ma adwen no enye adwuma won. Ye force omo. Ade a Kufuado Alanchi community mining 2022 ton. Also kwa ye real lanchi no kwa wu kwase no de. We abua pa wo. We jimi fo papa. Kwase a omo no mu no me nipa sen we mu won. We abua ndisi ne adwan.
Munim nyansa na bese ye ma do mama 2 months pe won chaye sapano ya anti bibia amfa ho a ekwa no ye anti bibia amfa ho a obohu say yes Ghana for ye na ye to aba no ma o mu ye besa de aba no ye ombe dwane aja Ghana ho no omu hia do ma pri ho
na cocoa price na kwa 6,000 no then
cocoa price akọ 6,000 ye wa ha na to force na ye nanim kokoko kronfo wo ye kronfo wo gina court a wo ma be yi no kronfo what's the finance minister manamuna ko gina enfante mema ko ka kire enuamo mfantefo se cocoa no nenka osa Kufuado mamo 70 million Ghana, which is 7,000 Ghana cedi. 7,000 Ghana cedi. Na Kufuado aban animu andi ni ye. Esa tu amanfo gungura mu se yesi ebeje mu enwusie tuo. Ye beji mu musie tuo wo biko ka kire akuyafo ni se yesi ebeji mu musie tuo. Ene mo ba ya 3,100 and something na Kufuado di mo no. First na cocoa da 14 plus and na Kufuado 2 ma de ko 30 something 8,000. Mobile only 100 and yes, will be cry analysis was say just 2 cedis per no de toso.
2 cedis say kilo beyond the 2 cedis na toso.
What is the metrono? Only 2 cedi. Randiabe
when bag the whole way no 1 kilo di akwa 2 cedi.
Randiabe at Metro TV morning one so there be our sports. Afi ye be hu ase wo sports ye be hu ase wo so